To create an automated order from within Thankster, go to Campaigns. Then select Recurring. Then click to create a campaign. In step 1, you'll have 3 timing options. Choose event for birthdays or anniversaries. Choose frequency for other recurring sending options. You can proceed with editing normally from there. We'll have separate videos for each step. Note that when you get to the recipient step, you'll need to either have or create a list, which you can do from the Contacts tab on the left.